Hi there, my name is Anna Claire Stinson. I'm a career counselor in the University Career Center, and I'm going to be sharing with you today how you can make an appointment with a career counselor on Handshake. So I'm going to start on our homepage here, which is career.auburn.edu. Keep in mind you can also do this on a mobile device. All right, so on our homepage, I'm going to click Handshake. And you can read a little bit about Handshake here if you're not as familiar with it, and then click Login. If you have not logged into your account yet, you'll just have to kind of briefly fill out your profile, but keep in mind that every Auburn student already has an account. All you have to do is go in and kind of update it. All right, so here is our landing page. Lots of functionality built into Handshake, but for now, I'll just show you how to make this appointment. So go to Career Center, and then Appointments, and then schedule a new appointment. And so this page is going to give you a category here for you to choose. So if you want to meet with someone in one of these specific colleges, if you're a student in those colleges, you can click that. If you want to meet with the University Career Center, you would click Auburn Student or Auburn Alumni. And then if you are a co-op student, you could choose cooperative education if you wanted to meet with a co-op coordinator. So for now, I will do Auburn student. And then here you have lots of different options for appointment types to really help with all parts of your career development. So choose the best option for you. I'm going to click Career Exploration and Research. And then on this page, you get to choose your appointment date and time. So you can really just go through and choose a time that works for you. Say I want an appointment on Monday of next week. I could go through, choose a time that works for me. Keep in mind, some of our appointments are 30 minutes long, others are hour-long appointments. So just make sure you're paying attention to that. So this one's going to be an hour long. I'll make an appointment with myself for next week. And then here you just kind of fill in this information. I'll do a Zoom appointment. Let's see. For what can we help you with? Let's do exploring career options in my industry. And then I encourage you to read through all of this just to make sure that you agree with these statements. All right. Informed consent here about meeting virtually. Okay, and then rate your current anxiety level. And then how did you hear about our services? Let's say internet, coffee with career. And then again, kind of briefly describe what your expectations are. So, whatever works for you. I'll do the same one there. And then you can click request. Okay, so says appointment was successfully requested, and then this is going to go to the career counselor you requested the appointment with. They can either approve or decline that appointment, so make sure you're checking your email for that. And then you'll also be emailed a link to the meeting location. So if that's a Zoom meeting, it will show up there. If it is in the office, it'll show up there as well. So just make sure you are checking your email after you request this appointment to kind of stay in touch with your career counselor. If you need to cancel an appointment, that's totally fine. We just ask that you do that before the appointment starts. Otherwise, we will have to charge you a no-show fee of $20 that's billed to your e-bill. So make sure that you do show up to the appointments that you request. All right. That is making an appointment in a nutshell. If you have any questions at all, feel free to contact us, career@auburn.edu, or you can also call our front desk at 334-844-4744 and request an appointment over the phone as well. All right. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I hope to see you in some appointments. Take care.